Good morning, folks. Hey, I'm on the Santa Road again in Spanish Lookout. In this video, I'm going to take you to Universal Hardware. As you can see, it's rainy, but we are in the truck, so this is going to be good. Here we go. Alright, so we got to Universal. I hope it's not gonna be raining too much. I would like to show you the entrance and not get too wet. So let's see how this goes. There you go, there's the entrance. You see that? That's Universal Hardware. Good morning.
Welcome to Universal Center.
Thank you. Good morning. These are the cashiers right here. Morning.
We try to have something for everyone, right?
Can you tell me a little bit more about this bike? This is the one that is sticking out.
Yeah.
And I would like to know a little bit more about it.
Okay. We were out for a while, 6 to 8 months. We were out of stock on this bike. We got in the first batch and we sold out. So this bike is standing out because it is like a high performance motorcycle, right?
Okay.
Everything about it is built strong.
Okay.
It is a water cooled.
Okay.
It has a water-cooled engine.
Mm-hmm.
Our last price was $6,732.
Okay.
Right now, we just got it back in stock, so the price might be the same or it might change a little bit yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's back in stock now, and
What size is this?
this is a 200cc.
Okay. All right, that's a cruiser.
This is a cruiser, yeah.
All right, that's the only cruiser you're having here, or you have more cruisers?
No, at the moment it is the only cruiser. Then
Okay.
we would have something. I guess we'll still consider that as a cruiser, right?
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
right. This
that-
is just more of the a better style.
Yes, a better
All right,
side.
definitely. I love the look of this one.
Yeah.
I definitely do.
Yeah, and then you can see here we have the helmets. Very important, especially when you're using a motorcycle. Spare parts,
Tires.
chains, yeah. And then you need any,
That's the service counter.
yes, our service counter,
All right,
parts.
awesome.
Yeah.
So there you see again, if you need anything, you just go to the counter and these guys are going to help you. Wow, you see they have a whole bunch of riding mowers, push mowers. Let me get closer to this. All right, so this guy is going to tell us a little bit about what is going on. It looks like they're doing some paint mixing, but let him explain.
Okay, so we have a sale coming up right now in the 28, 29, and 30. BOGO sale, we call it.
Okay.
On the Easy Care brand. So
Okay.
you buy one, you get one free.
Okay.
Could be gallon, quarts, 4 or 5 gallon
Okay,
paint.
all right.
Right, mixed paint, and
Okay.
any one of your choice.
Okay, so people can choose their color and you mixed it here.
Yeah, they choose any color of their choice, and we mix them to their.
Okay, nice.
color.
All right, there you hear. You can just come and get any color of the paint you want. You have exterior, interior.
Interior, semi-gloss, satin, or flat.
Okay, nice. There you go. That is amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
anybody that is into woodworking, here they have a lot of different woodworking machines. They have the table saws, they have the planers, big planers, small planers. This is the Grizzly brand, a really good brand. A lot of different things. Okay, as you see, they have chainsaws. This is the Echo brand. Echo brand is a very, very good brand. I had a different brand and it was very, very hard to actually start that chainsaw. And I had to crank and it didn't start. I was getting all tired. This one with a few cranks and it starts. This is really, really good. And the same in the trimmers and these weed eaters, they do the same thing. So I bought one of the trimmer and also one of the chainsaws, so that is really good. I can tell you from experience that this really works. Here you have the parts and anything that you need for the trimmers. On this side you have the blades for the chainsaws. Here you have a whole bunch of blades for the riding mowers. There you go, and you have some drill presses here as well. So yeah, they have a whole bunch of things here. Wow, look at this. A long shelf of Makita tools. This looks amazing. Welding machines. These two shelves here are basically all bolts, nuts, and screws. Okay, washing machines, stoves, fridges and freezers. There they have AC units. Hey, let's talk to this guy about the AC units. So tell me a little bit about these AC units.
ACs, we carry the Sankey brand. This is probably, you would say, the most popular brand
Okay.
in all of Belize.
Okay.
Yes, those come with 1-year warranty. They're quality proven,
Okay.
and they're like the best selling in
Okay,
the country.
right.
Yes, we
Okay.
carry different sizes for starting from 12, 18, 24,000 BTUs.
Okay,
Yes.
all right, awesome. So you have only Sankey here or you have something else yet?
We carry also Innovair. This
Okay.
one is an
What would
American
be,
brand,
okay,
Yes.
all right, and that?
and this one comes from China, but
Okay.
it's a Japanese
Okay.
corporation.
Okay, all right, so that, this is an American brand here.
Yes,
Okay.
the Innovair.
Okay, all right. So the price difference is
Is-
quite a bit?
Yes, quite
Okay,
quite
so-
more on this one, but this
Okay.
one has this better better built components, higher efficiency,
Uh-huh.
and also has like a Wi-Fi option, so you
Okay.
can use it with your.
Okay.
And we carry like different. This style here, split units. We also have, if they would need them, window units as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there is a window unit. Okay. All right.
Yes.
This shelf here has a lot of different cleaning products, from your house to cleaning your car, brooms, mops, anything household. They even got live plants here. Look at these neat little fridges. So everybody is smiling here for you. All right, see ya. All right, that is universal for you. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I guess until my next video, God bless.